I'm sure you've heard the news. But did you know Churchill had a parrot that cussed out Nazis? Meet Charlie, Winston Churchill's feathery sidekick. This bird had a special talent, hurling insults at Nazis. During World War II, Churchill trained Charlie to squawk out some language aimed at the enemy. Decades later, Charlie was still at it. This loyal chatterbox kept the spirit of defiance alive. Imagine walking into a room and hearing a bird yell, "Down with Hitler." You can tell them about Charlie, the parrot who took a stand against tyranny. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quirky history bites.